G'day and welcome back to another episode. This one, we're close to home. We're near Port Macquarie. We've jumped over the Settlement Point ferry and we've come to do this little track up there to Point Plomer campground. We came here when we were teenagers, eh?
Yeah, the track changes all the time, so who knows what today's going to be like. We chose to do it after the rain, and it's pretty windy today actually, just so the track's a little bit more funner. We'll give it a go.
Yeah, and the weather's supposed to come in this afternoon, but we don't care about that. We're still going to do it. So we've let the tyres down on the caravan and car, and we are going that way.
How you going to hold up, big girl? Good luck.
So let the tyres down. Because I've got so much weight on board, I'm only going to let these down to about 30 psi. Same with the van, and I might go 25 on the front of the car. But yeah, I don't want to let them down too much. So there's a couple of reasons why we wanted to do this track, because there is an easier way around to get to Point Plomer through Kempsey and Crescent Head. But just leading into Christmas, we thought we would do like a 3-month sort of pre-trip shakedown of all our gear before we do some remote touring up north. So this track, we've done it before, so we sort of know, because it changes all the time, sort of know what it's going to be like. There's a few sand traps, there should be some water around, and Elenya's a bit nervous towing the van through, because we haven't taken this van through anything like that yet. We've done plenty of dirt roads and all that sort of thing, but nothing like this. So it's going to be a good test for the van and the car, and I'm going to put Elenya in the driver's seat for one of the sand traps, I think. See how she goes. But let's get into it.
It's a bit tight. Set up here. Nick wants me to do the sand tracks with the van. It's my home. Not looking forward to it. Do you think Mummy will do well, Lennox? Yeah, no comment. You're scared for your life? Me too. Alright, here we go. Goes pear-shaped, and just put my foot to the floor and hoping for the bloody best. Run faster, big boy.
You got a pretty big mama.
Tell me when you're ready.
Oh yeah, ready to go when you are.
Alright, here goes nothing. Nick is right on the side of the track. What a dumb man. see if there's any damage. Nope. Nothing has moved. Perfect. Happy with that.
So this is where we packed up, the van there. Super windy. But when you walk straight out here, to a windy beach. I hope the weather gets better. What you do to try and catch some dinner. I might have been eating too much dinner.
Oh, big boy. You gonna catch us some food?
Well, we'll see. Wish me luck.
Good luck. Can you even see anything out there?
Oh, not really. Yeah, they're 2 meters.
What are we having, big boy?
Well, we're having wraps with no fish in it because I suck. No, I'm going to blame it on the tide and the weather. It's not the best weather. Hopefully the next couple of days we can get some fish because we need some protein because we're running out.
Do the fish just hide when it's not good weather? They don't want to get wet, so they go home?
I think so, yeah. Yeah.
Oh well, next time.
Next time. So I've got an hour and a half to redeem myself before the kids wake up again. So I'm going to Spear in a different spot now.
You picked it up
We fill it in the rain, Lennox. Fill it in the rain.
So the weather looked like it was settling in for the afternoon, so we decided movie, early dinner and an early bed. We then woke up to the sun shining. This place is amazing when it's good weather.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. 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 I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind.
What are we having for dinner tonight?
fresh fish and chips. Could be dangerous. Da 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 da. Voila.
Arriba! How do you rate yourself?
Pretty good.
Pretty sick, eh? What do you reckon we smoke one of Lennox's yogurts for dessert?
Yeah.
You good with that, Lennox?
We're getting low in the fridge.
Oh, that's it for tonight. Pack you away, put you to bed, you've had a few wines. See you in the morning. So,
Ignore him in the back.
So we've been for our little beach swim in the morning to wake us up, and we've put the van on. We're headed north towards Coffs Harbour. So we're going to show you a few of the campsites a bit north of Point Plomer, but there's no point. It's super blowy. It's blowing about 50k, so we're going to try and get the drone up, but it'd be back down in Port Macquarie. So yeah.
So at the end of this video, we're going to actually include bloopers. It's mostly me being but yeah, just let us know if you want us to keep doing it, because there's lots of them.
No, there's not.
Yes, there is. So just leave a comment down at the bottom, or just feel free to message us if you have any questions.
Yeah, hit the subscribe button. See you on the next one. Are you going to wash them?
Perhaps not.
What? G'day and welcome to another episode. Oh, 50k now, it's blowing, so we can't even get the drone up. Otherwise we'd lose it.
But at the end of this video, we're going to actually include... Go move the tree, big boy.
Woohoo! Do something cool.
Like what?
I don't know. I wonder where the sweet potato went. Give it back. You're gonna cook that.